Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to find drafts on Facebook. So, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is to simply open your Facebook application. Then, in order to find your drafts, all you have to do is just simply click on what's on your mind and try to create a post. For example, just simply say hi and then just go back with the arrow option at the top left-hand side corner and click on Save as Draft. Now wait for a few seconds and you should get a Facebook notification at the very top. Just simply click on that. As you can see, this is the Facebook notification that you will get. Now, don't remove it. Just simply tap and open this, and then you should be able to see the drafts of your Facebook post. Now over here, your draft will automatically disappear in 3 days. And if you want to bring that back, you can just click on it and click on Open Draft and post it, or you can also delete it. It's totally up to you. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your drafts on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching and take care.